The need for protein when undergoing dialysis treatments. More than 25 million Americans have kidney disease, and many more are susceptible to the disease, often because of their lifestyles, diets, ethnicity and family history. The best way to treat chronic kidney disease is to catch it in its earliest stages. This is a disease that can completely destroy any ability the body may have to filter waste from the bloodstream, and often, patients require dialysis, and in the worst-case scenarios, kidney transplants. There are various stages of kidney disease, with each stage being more severe than the one before it. Throughout these stages, patients will be required to make diet and lifestyle changes, and the dietary changes will get more and more strict. It is important that patients maintain their weight, of course without becoming overweight. This can be difficult, and one way to get the protein needed without a whole lot of additional calories is by using protein supplements. Stage 5 is the most severe of the stages of kidney disease, and this is when dialysis or a kidney transplant becomes necessary. Many patients rely on dialysis to survive until a donor kidney can be found. During this stage, patients are going to need additional amounts of protein in their diets. There will be many dietary restrictions, and this is where protein supplements can really be a great help. Protein is broken down by the body into amino acids, which in turn create new amino acids, hormones and enzymes that will help to regulate a number of bodily processes, including sleep, ovulation and digestion. As a rule, the kidneys filter out the leftover waste, but kidneys that are diseased cannot do this. This is another reason to get additional proteins in the diet. There are two types of proteins, complete and incomplete, and they are made up of 22 essential and non-essential amino acids. Complete proteins are proteins that contain all of the 8 essential amino acids, chemical compounds that are made up of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon, and all of the 14 non-essential amino acids. Incomplete proteins are proteins that contain some of the essential and non-essential amino acids, but not all. When eaten in combination in a healthy, well-balanced diet, people can get the protein that they need in the proper amounts. Essential amino acids, there are 8 essential amino acids. These are amino acids that the body requires but is unable to produce itself, so they must come from dietary sources and protein supplements. The 8 essential amino acids are leucine, methionine, isoleucine, lysine, valine, threonine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. Non-essential amino acids, these are amino acids that the body needs. They are just as important as the essential amino acids, and is able to manufacture itself. The 14 non-essential amino acids are glutathione, hepatic acid, glutamine, cysteine, asparagines, alanine, histidine, glycine, L-arginine, taurine, cysteine, serine, threonine and proline. Types of protein supplements. There are many sources that are used for protein supplements, and some are more agreeable to some people than others. Some of the most used sources of protein for supplements include whey, casein, rice and soy. Whey protein, whey a byproduct of the cheese-making process. In addition to being high in protein, whey also contains many vitamins and minerals. Whey is quickly digested, and its effects are fast-acting. Because whey protein is a milk derivative, people with milk allergies and those who are lactose intolerant should opt for a different type of supplement, such as soy or rice. Whey has all of the essential and non-essential amino acids, so it is a complete protein. Casein protein. This is another protein that is a milk derivative. Casein is slower to digest than whey, and its effects last longer. It is often that whey and casein proteins are used in combination, so that those who use them can get the fullest and best effects from both types of protein supplements. People who are allergic to milk and milk products should avoid casein. Rice protein. This is a great protein supplement choice for vegetarians, people who are lactose intolerant as well as those with allergies. Rice protein is hypoallergenic. This is the ideal option for dieters, because it is not only high in protein, it is low in fat, carbohydrates and calories and is gluten-free. Rice protein is an incomplete protein. Supplements made with rice protein are great to use in many recipes because they are basically flavorless. Soy protein. This is another terrific protein for vegetarians. A complete protein, soy protein is also good for the lactose intolerant and those who suffer from food allergies. Soy will not cause spikes in blood glucose levels because it is low on the glycemic index. Some people find that soy causes them to experience digestive problems. If this occurs, switch to a different type of protein supplement. Powdered and liquid protein supplements. Two of the most popular forms of protein supplements are powders and liquids. Both are easily digestible and easy to turn into great-tasting shakes and smoothies, as well as to add to recipes for additional protein in meals. Protein powders. These are the most versatile type of protein supplements, and the unflavored protein powders can be used in most of your favorite recipes. All you need to do is add a couple of scoops to the dish that you are preparing. Or there are many delicious flavored protein powders, such as chocolate, vanilla, berry and fruit punch, which can be used to make lots of great-tasting shakes, smoothies and slushies. Liquid protein supplement. Liquid protein supplements are often available in pre-prepared drinks that are portable and very tasty. Many liquid protein supplements, just like powdered supplements, can be added to many recipes, including shakes and smoothies. Many of these supplements are milk-based, so if you or your family members are lactose intolerant or are allergic to milk and milk products, you need to carefully read the ingredients to make sure that the supplement you are purchasing does not contain these products. One terrific liquid protein supplement is ProfectR by Protica. This 100-calorie protein shot provides 25 grams of protein per serving, as well as 100% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin C and 10% each of 5 of the B-complex vitamins. Using protein supplements is an excellent way to get all of the protein that is needed in our diets without adding too much fat and calories. These supplements are available in health food stores, pharmacies and many department and grocery stores.